OpenGL not supported error in Windows 11 fixed. If you're having that kind of issue with the OpenGL version on Windows 11, it is very simple to fix it. What you have to do is, first of all, just run your search bar and type in dxdiag, which is your run command. So type in dxdiag, which will open up some of your system information and properties. So this is a DirectX Diagnostic Tool as well. Now here you can see display. Now if you have two display, just keep that in mind. Now go to display type, and over here you'll see the name of your display. So all you have to do now is simply go to your browser and type in the name of your display. And after you've done that, type in the system exe type. So whether it's a 32-bit or a 64-bit PC, just type in that, and then over there just hit download, and then you should be able to find the required drivers for it and install it. That should help you solve the problem. In some cases, you might actually have two display types. So in other case, I have my graphics driver, which is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. So NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 64-bit download. So after I type that in, I'll feed the search results, and just based on whichever display and manufacturer you're using, you have to install the required drivers for it, update it to the latest version, and that should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.